Do you know what's inside the anthill? This video shows a man throwing material that quickly solidifies into the anthill, but I'll show you the result at the end. The division made by the ants inside the anthill is surprising, and each ant has its function. In this part, there is the nursery, where the development of ants takes place. Another part is the fungus garden that serves as food for the ants. The anthill queen has a place of her own, and another area is where the ants dump their garbage. In the video, you can understand.